Hey everyone, and welcome back to the MotorMix. Today we're getting a look at a car that's sure to set the pulse of any gearhead racing, the all-new 2025 Porsche 912. A classic silhouette reborn. The 912 has been absent from Porsche's lineup for decades, but it's finally back. And let me tell you, it does not disappoint. The design is a stunning blend of old and new. It's got those classic curves that made the original 912 so iconic, but with sleek, modern touches like LED headlights and a sloping rear end that screams pure Porsche. Modern muscle under the hood. Now, one of the biggest changes for the 2025 model is what's lurking under the hood. Unlike the original's four-cylinder engine, this time around, Porsche's packing a serious punch with a turbocharged flat-six engine. We're talking about exhilarating acceleration and a driving experience that's sure to put a grin on your face. But Porsche isn't just about power, they've also engineered this engine for impressive efficiency, making the 912 a well-rounded performer. Stepping inside the legend. Moving on to the interior, and here we see that perfect marriage of classic design and cutting-edge technology. It's a tribute to the original 912 with minimalist elements and high-quality materials throughout. But modern comforts and tech haven't been forgotten. You'll find a digital instrument cluster that provides all the essential information at a glance, while advanced driver assistance features ensure a safe and enjoyable ride. The Porsche experience. But of course, the true test of any Porsche is how it handles. And let me tell you, the 2025 912 stays true to its heritage. It delivers the dynamic handling that Porsche is renowned for. Precise steering, balanced weight distribution, and a responsive suspension make every drive an unforgettable adventure. Whether you're navigating city streets or carving up canyon roads, the 912 promises an exhilarating experience. More than just a car. The 2025 Porsche 912 isn't just a car, it's the return of a legend. It's a perfect marriage of classic design with modern performance and technology. It's a car that will turn heads wherever it goes and deliver an unforgettable driving experience. So what do you guys think? Is the 2025 Porsche 912 a worthy successor to the original? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe MotorMix for more awesome car content.